Hello and welcome to another SOLIDWORKS Electrical Quick Look. This is Alex Koch, Territory Technical Manager for the ANZ, and today we talk about how we can import electrical project data from Microsoft Excel. Now, before proceeding, for those of us who may have missed my earlier presentation concerning exporting project data to Microsoft Excel, I would strongly encourage you to take a look at that one first before taking a look at this video itself. Now, if you have already seen that video, let's proceed. When we talk about importing Microsoft Excel data, the question is always why? And the answer is very simple. It gives us a high level project overview of our entire electrical project. It allows us a global level type of editing capability that you wouldn't be able to access if you were working within SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematic itself. It is, of course, fast and efficient. It also covers a wide range of options ranging from project books all the way down to wire styles and location data. So rather than to go to each individual symbol or component to change your data, imagine being able to edit what you need to within a Microsoft Excel worksheet and re-importing it. Today, that's what we're going to talk about. How do we re-import this information? Now, consider this. In our previous video, we had already exported a given set of data. And this is currently what we have here for our relays. What I've done here is that for this exercise, I have updated the mark numbers. Now, this is not the only parameter that we can edit, like I mentioned, but I will be using this as my example, and we will use this as the basis of this presentation today. So what are the steps involved? Let's switch over to SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematic to take a closer look. So here we are in SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematic. The first thing we'd like to do is go on to the Import Export tab and hit Import from Excel. Then we choose the Excel template that we would like to import. Now this was the original Excel file that I created several days ago, and this is the new one that I've edited. When you hit an open, software reads the Excel worksheet in, and it highlights to us what has been changed. And as you can tell here, the cells in green are objects modified in Excel only. This tells us that this information hasn't been propagated to the actual project itself. So when you hit the next here, you actually confirm what you're doing. It tells us right now that there are 9 relay items that have been updated. There are no conflicts. Very nice. So you hit a finish and it asks you what you want to do with the existing one. Do you want to delete, or do you want to export the saved point, and so on? For my case here, I'll choose to delete the export point. And what we have here right now is that the relay information have been updated to 2 digits. Simple as that. So quick recap of what we've done. After the Microsoft Excel file has been edited accordingly, what we do is we go to the Import Excel tab, we import the file, we review the changes, information that will be imported, whether they were changed on the Excel file or not, will be prompted with the appropriate colors. And after this information has been updated, you validate the updated data on the project itself. In this project, once again, we change the mark numbers from single to double digits for the relay components, and this information was shown to have updated on the project itself. So there. At the end of the day, couple of tips to remember. Again, as I emphasized in my previous video, ensure that your Microsoft Excel is a supported version. Please check it on the SOLIDWORKS website if you are not sure. To find out more, of course, your first source of contact would be your local SOLIDWORKS reseller. I strongly encourage you to contact them. And of course, feel free to contact me for questions, comments, and feedback. And with that, thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this quick look. Have a nice day.